Jane from Earth Palette here. I thought today we'd go through mixing a few colours. Now, one of the colours that I'm often asked about is Chartreuse. This is one of my favourite colours. It just really adds quite a lot to your dyeing and that, and this is the colour it is. It's like a limey green colour. And to make Chartreuse, we'll start off with yellow. So we're putting yellow in, so that's the Earth Palette yellow, and we are going to add maybe a tiny bit, like this much, and that would probably still be maybe too much of the turquoise. Okay, mix it up, and there you have it. Okay, now to change that, if you want to make that a darker shade, if you want to make it more of an olivey colour, if you add a tiny bit of black to that, mix it up, and you're going to have a different shade again. So the more black you add to that, the more you'll darken that shade up. Okay, the other colour that is really easy to make and also an excellent colour to have in your colour palette is olive green or khaki. And if you start with yellow, and I'll put a tiny bit of black in, so that's actually probably a bit much really. We might just tip a bit of that off. Mix it up. And you can see we've got like a khaki olive colour. Okay, how dark you want that. If you want to add a bit more black, we'll tip it into the black. You can see that's quite dark now. So that was black and yellow. Together will make olive, and turquoise and yellow together will make chartreuse.